lucky enough to get some curry leaf plant cuttings from someone in my neighborhood. All I need to do to propagate them is pop them into some soil. I already have this container of soil from a failed desert rose plant, and because it's been raining, it's basically already watered in. Now, this is an entirely optional step, but when I propagate plant cuttings, oftentimes, if it's not something that is super quick to root, I will use rooting hormone. The label on this got torn off, but this is the kind that I use, and the rooting hormone kind of gives the cutting a jump start. So I'm just going to stick each cutting into the rooting hormone and then stick it into the soil. I am going to add a little more water because the stems of this curry leaf plant are a little thick, so I want to make sure that the water is contacting the cut end. The leaves are a little droopy because they were cut a little bit ago, but they should perk back up. So now all I have to do is just not touch them, leave them in a warm place since they don't like the cold, and wait for them to root. And you'll know that they've rooted when you tug on them and they don't have much give. Happy propagating!